Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. When you start the application, you may use your operating system's search function or access it through your desktop or start menu. Once PowerPoint opens, you will either see a welcome screen showcasing recent files or a blank canvas waiting for you to begin. This step is important since the designer feature is integrated into PowerPoint, and you need the application open to access its various tools. After PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation you wish to enhance. You might open an existing presentation that you have been working on or select a new file if you are starting from scratch. Opening your presentation correctly sets the stage for a smooth design process. The content and layout you have already prepared will guide the designer tool in suggesting aesthetically pleasing design options that match your slide details and overall theme. With your presentation now open on the screen, direct your attention to the top navigation area, where you will find a series of tabs that categorize different tools and options. Locate the Design tab, as this is where all design related features in PowerPoint reside. The Design tab is the gateway to managing visual elements and enhancing your presentation's style. It organizes various themes, style options, and other visual settings that can be applied to your slides in a cohesive manner. Within the Design tab, look for the Designer tool option. The Designer button stands out among the design features and is set up to provide immediate design recommendations. Once you have found it, click on the Designer option to activate the tool. Activating Designer will have PowerPoint start analyzing your slide content to suggest professional looking design ideas that blend with your presentation style. After the Designer tool is active, the next step is to interact with your slide. Click on any slide within your presentation that you want to update. When you perform this action, a new panel will appear on the right side of the screen. This panel is populated with different design templates that have been automatically recommended by PowerPoint. The designer function uses the information on your slide, such as text, images, and other inserted elements, to provide suggestions that complement and enhance your content. Take a moment to review the collection of design suggestions available in the right-hand panel. Each recommendation has been tailored to match the existing content on your slide, ensuring that every suggested design works well with your layout and message. Once you have evaluated the options, click on the design template that best suits your presentation's aesthetic goals. The chosen design will be applied immediately to your slide, updating the layout and overall visual appeal of your content. This process not only helps to give your presentation a polished look, but also saves time by automating the design selection. With the Designer tool's recommendations, you can quickly transform a basic slide into an engaging, professionally styled piece without spending additional time on manual formatting. Enjoy making your presentation visually compelling with the power of PowerPoint Designer.